despite Google's best efforts, the Google Assistant has often been overshadowed by its more efficient and feature-laden counterparts, such as Alexa and Siri. However, the company is taking steps to make it more intuitive and to increase its compatibility with its own services, which many would agree should have been considered from the start. One of those examples, which is apparently being implemented now, is the Duo video call. The Android police report that the video call contact name instruction assistant will automatically start Duo, although if you or your contact does not have Duo, Hangouts may start instead. However, as in the case of many Duo updates, things are not working well at the moment. The Android police say that their tests were only fruitful at times, and noted that the function may still be unfolding, or that it may only be functional in some places. It is not clear how long the function has been active, but taking into account the previous debate in the forum about the improbability of the function, it is likely to be new, so it could have problems for a while.